As can be, scandalous ladies for you to see. Every time I'm in the club, they get me in the zone. I need to find a garage girl, someone to call my own. Looking so sexy when they drop that move, making the MCs shout out